Good day, everyone. I'm Harry C. Comment, and today I'll be presenting a report about piston rings and connection. Let's start. Purpose and function. Piston rings serve several major functions in engines. They form a sliding combustion chamber seal that prevents the high-pressure combustion gases from leaking past the piston. Bullet 2. They keep engine oil from getting into the combustion chamber. Bullet 3. The rings transfer some of the piston heat to the cylinder wall, where it is removed from the engine through the coolant system. Dito raw, sabi, piston ring ay may malaking papel sa engine. Una, bullet 1, they form a sliding combustion chamber seal para hindi mataas yung high pressure combustion gases. And yung pangalawa naman, ito naman yung nagpe-prevent daw yung 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 engine oil na makapasok sa combustion chamber. And yung bullet tray, ito naman yung nakakatulong sa pag-transfer ng init sa piston papunta sa cylinder wall. Para naman maka-cool down ang engine ng engine. In short, they keep the engine efficient and protected from damage. Piston rings classifications. Piston rings are classified into two types. Number one is two compression rings located towards the top of the piston. Number two is one oil control ring located below the compression rings. Dito raw sabi is yung piston rings is classified to dalawa. Yung una is yung compression rings. And yung pangalawa is yung oil control. Okay. Dito na, i-discuss natin to sa next pages. Compression rings. A compression ring is designed to form a seal between a moving piston and a cylinder wall. This is necessary to get maximum power from the combustion pressure. At the same time, the compression ring must keep friction at a minimum. This is made possible by providing only enough static or built-in mechanical tension to hold the ring in contact with the cylinder wall during intake stroke. Combustion chamber pressure during the compression power and exhaust stroke is applied to the top and back of the ring. This pressure will add extra force on the ring that is required to seal the combustion chamber during this stroke. Makikita natin dito sa 13 to 17. The space in the ring groove above the ring is called the side clearance, and the space behind the ring is called back clearance. Compression rings. Compression rings daw, uh, nagbibigay ng seal between the piston and the cylinder wall na para makuha natin ang maximum power from the combustion. Dito daw, mini-maintain just enough tension to reduce the friction habang nagwo-work. Yung combustion pressure daw nakakatulong sa ring seal daw. Stroke. May tinatawag din na side clearance at the back clearance. Ito yung small spaces sa groove ng ring. Ito yung nag-aalaw na proper na movement ng sealing. Para makita natin yung examples is sa next page. And here is the example of the compression ring. Compression chamber pressures the ring against the cylinder wall and bottom of the wheel groove to effectively seal the cylinder. Right. Nakikita niyo ba yun? Next. And ito rin. Oil control rings. The scraping action of the coil control ring allows oil to return through the expander and openings in the piston. Steel spring expanders were placed in the ring groove behind the ring to improve static radial tension. They force the ring to conform to the cylinder wall. Many expander designs are used on a three-piece ring. A spacer expander lies between the top and bottom rails. The spacer expanders keeps the rails separate and pushes them to the cylinder wall. Dito raw, the, the oil control ring is in charge of scraping excess oil from the cylinder wall and allowing it to return to the oil pan. May steel spring expander sa likod ito na nagbibigay ng tension para dumikit siya ng maayos sa wall. In modern engines, ginagamit ng three-piece design. May spacer expander sa gitna at rail sa taas at baba. Together, they control oil and prevent it from burning inside the combustion chamber. And the example is right below. Next, piston ring up. Dito may picture ko na lang. Sabi daw dito, importante rin na tinatawag na ring gap. Ito yung maliit na space sa pagitan ng end ng piston ring. Yung sobrang laki ng gap, magkakaroon ng blow-by or leakage na tinatawag ng combustion gases na pwedeng magresulta ng oil loss. Pero kung sobrang liit naman ng oil gap, magdudulot naman ito ng sobrang friction at pwedeng masira yung cylinder wall. Kaya kailangan sakto lang ang ring gap para magandang engine performance. Next, at ito naman yung samples of ring gaps. The butt gap, the tapered gap, seal cut gap. Yan po yung tatlo. Piston ring shapes. As engine speeds have increased, inertial forces on the piston rings have always increased. As a result, engine manufacturers have found it desirable to reduce inertia forces on the ring by reducing their weight. This has been done by reducing the thickness of the piston ring from 1/4 inches, or as we know 6 mm, to as little as 1 1/2 16 1 and 16 inches or 1.6 millimeter. There are several types of piston rings. Dito naman sinasabi yung as engine improved, manufacturers change piston ring shapes from para naman maging mas magaan yung efficiency. From thick to thin rings, mas nababawasan ng inertia at mas nagiging responsive ang engine. May iba't ibang shape tulad ng taper face ring, positive twist ring at reverse twist ring. Bawat isa may specific purpose para sa sealing at oil control. In here, let's make it short. Yung piston rings daw may tatlo. Yung una is taper face ring, positive twist ring, at saka reverse twist ring. Taper face ring, ito yung may contact sa cylinder wall at sa lower edge. Habang ang positive twisting naman ay may konting twist sa groove para mas maganda ang seal. Minsan pinagsasama ang twist at taper sa isang ring for better performance daw. And ang goal nito ay siguraduhin pantay ang contact sa oil at makontrol yung oil movement habang umiikot ang piston. Yung reverse twisting naman daw works opposite. Baliktad daw kumpara kay taper face ring. It seals the lower section of the groove for better oil control. Meron din tayong scraper ring para tanggalin ang excess oil. At barrel facing naman na nagbibigay ng smooth contact sa cylinder wall. This design help balance oil control and friction reduction. And ito naman yung tatlo. Yung positive, dito naman, yung kaninang dinascuss natin is reverse twisting. Ngayon, i-discuss natin yung about sa scraper ring at bad twisting. Meron daw din tayong scraper ring para tanggalin ng excess oil. At bad twisting naman daw ay nagbibigay ng smoother contact sa cylinder wall. This design has balance oil control and friction reduction. Kaya yun yung, yung dalawa pang nasa piston. Next, dito naman sa page na to is may tatlo tayo ring materials. Piston ring. Let's make it short. May tatlo daw tayo piston. Ang piston rings ay dating gawa lang sa cast iron. Pero ngayon, iba't ibang materials na ang gamit. Meron tayong plain cast iron, pearly thick, saka nodular cast iron, steel, at deductive iron. Ang ductile iron ay flexible at hindi basta nababasag. Perfect naman daw to for high performance engines. These materials are chosen to handle and heat high heat and pressure. Dito naman ang chromium piston rings. Chromium face piston rings are designed for long life and wear resistance. Nilalagyan sila ng chrome plating para hindi agad nagagasgas lalo na kung may dumi at alikabok sa air intake. After plating, they're polished and honed para smooth and ready to use. Kaya common nito sa engine na expose sa rusty and harsh condition. Yan, makikita po natin sa baba yung example ng chromium piston ring splitting. Next is ang molybdenum or moly ring naman. Ang molybdenum or moly rings are also popular. Sikat daw to. Ginagamit naman daw ang plasma method para spray ang molybdenum coating.
sa ring surface. This gives excellent heat resistance and low friction. Para sa high performance or high temperature engines dahil hindi sila madaling masira kahit mabagal gamitin. Next is text. And ito naman yung moly facing. Kung saan coating at saka ano. Next. Dito naman, we will discuss the polychrome, carbide rings at saka ceramic coated rings. Advanced engines now use polychrome, carbide at ceramic coated rings. Sabi daw dito, ang mga coating na to ay pinagsasamang lakas, tigas at heat resistance. Ceramic coated rings are common in turbocharged or diesel engines tulad ng GM Duramax 6.6 liters. This coating helps handle extreme heat and pressure without wearing out. Next is we'll be discussing the correction rods.